Welcome to vlog 9.
If you don't know us already, we're Harry and Nikki, and last month we finished our 17-seater minibus campervan conversion in order to take it across Europe this summer.
In this vlog, we're taking you with us through South France and straight into Italy,
Where we explored the beautiful town of SanRemo and made our way further down the coast.
stopping at some idyllic spots on the way until we made it to Genoa.
So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out.
Now let's get on with the video.
So we woke up this morning in Cannes and we were at quite a nice park up, to be fair. It was actually right on the beach. There's not much parking available in Cannes, but we made some breakfast. We had some avocado on toast, which was delicious, and we also did a little workout this morning, you know, getting that summer bod on. So after a quick little stop on the beach this morning, we decided we were going to hit the road to Monaco. So we're going to head to Monaco now.
Yeah.
And then we got to Monaco, and Nikki can probably vouch for this. I got pretty stressed because the driving in Monaco, just don't drive a long vehicle in Monaco, it's not fun. There was nowhere to park, so we fucked off Monaco. And now, let me show you where we are. We are somehow in Italy.
It's so random.
We literally just drove across the border like, oh my god, there's a border here.
And then realised we were in
There
Italy.
was a security guard with his gun and we were in Italy. But
Didn't show passports, didn't show negative tests, didn't show our passports, vaccine passports, nothing.
Bollocks, there's nothing.
So quick, we're in Italy, what?
But yeah, this is our new park spot. Welcome to Italy.
Good?
So good.
Good.
Oh, it's quite spicy.
Is it? I haven't got any spice.
Now, we've been saying we've been craving an Asian dish for a while, so unbelievable.
Thanks. Bon appetit. Let's go.
Little midnight stroll on the cards
Yeah.
at 8 o'clock.
Look how tiny their little spaces are, like for them to park, compared to how big ours are.
I mean, yeah, convenient.
They're saving a lot of space.
So what are you saying?
Thank you, mopeders.
As fast as the seasons change, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling. 'Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light.
So what are we doing today?
So we're going to go into the town. I can't remember what it's called. We'll put the name up here of what the town is called. We're going to have a little mooch around, maybe get some pizza, because you have to have some pizza in Italy. And then we're going to go to the casino, which is why we're all dressed up.
And we're going to win some money. So let's batten the hatches, head to town.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running.
Harry's just stepped in dog shit.
It's on my foot.
Get in the proper grass down there.
Tell me where the sparks come from.
Hope it wasn't that dog that we were just saying was so cute.
Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic.
So we found a cheeky little pizzeria, haven't we?
We have indeed. It's about €7 a pizza and it looks super posh. So.
Yeah, it does. The pizza list is endless. There is so much pizza available. What pizza are you getting, babe?
I didn't even see the pizzas on there.
Yeah, there's another side to it.
Oh, that's bad.
There's peppers, onion and sausage.
Nah. So I've already decided I'm getting the 3 cheeses pizza. Brie, a cheese called speck.
No idea what that is.
Mozzarella, rocket.
Lovely.
Salad. That sounds banging. What are you getting?
I think I'm going to get mushroom, ham and cheese and tomato.
Nikki.
Like a Lorraine.
lives for mushrooms.
I live for mushrooms and olives, but they don't really have olives here.
But, you know.
Which is odd, but...
We move.
What are you doing?
Quick change for the casino. Gotta be trousers.
Gotta be formal, isn't it? Oh, you got your shirt caught.
How formal do I look?
Not that formal. You look... I guess you look smart cash like they asked. So I've sorted him out now. I've rolled up his ankles.
My ankles?
I've tucked in his thing and put a belt on him and
We're
it looks
all
much
dressed
better now.
Let's go to the casino and win some fucking money.
Oh god.
So,
Got a co-op here.
about an hour and a half in the casino, maybe 2 hours.
Yeah,
Tell them what happened.
Okay, so we started on the slot things.
Yeah.
We actually got like 15 up, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we were like, cool. And then we went to blackjack. We were
£10 minimum and
£10 minimum bet thing. Put £20 in, got out to 80, but obviously didn't take it out, and then we came out £10 under.
£10 down overall between us, £5 each for a nice fun day.
Yeah.
You know what? We move.
And it was really interesting because it's such a pretty casino. I've only ever been to one casino before at uni, and
This was a
it's
big
stunning.
upgrade.
This is like a beautiful hotel. Like it's
Yeah.
so nice.
Lush.
Yeah.
Oh, back to the van we go.
Yeah, let's go.
So good morning. We are very sleepy. We had a couple mosquitoes in here last night.
A couple?
15 or 20. And Nikki would not stop whinging about them all night.
Because I get bitten so badly and it ruins my like
does.
3 days.
So she woke me up and I had to run around and try to kill them. But this morning she's made up for herself by making some avocado on toast on some baguette from yesterday, and I went and got some coffees from the local beach bar, which were €1.50 each, some cappuccinos.
Can I just say I only had 3.5 hours sleep?
I look tired as well, but yeah. We're going to move Park up in a minute.
Okay, the battens are hatched. Everything is either on the bed. No, it's not. Hatched. 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 That's done. You've been making friends?
Yeah.
What does she want?
Nothing, I was helping her park.
Oh, was she French?
No, I don't know, she was speaking English to me, very broken English.
Yeah, she sounded French.
Right.
Okay,
Should we
so
pack up and hit
well,
the road?
I've just packed for us, Bibba, and I've battened all the hatches.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You sound angry.
Well, I've done it.
Right, we're very overtired, we're going to hit the road. Okay, thank you.
What did she say?
Saying you can open the back doors if you want.
Ah, I love getting tickets. Right, do I press anything?
Done anything?
No, do you think I press that button or is that fucked?
I don't know.
Shall I just do it? Yeah.
It's not fucked, there's a hand pointing
It's
to
red, Bubs.
Okay guys, so this is our park up for the night. It's an awesome little spot. It's a bit by a main road, which is a bit annoying, but the car traffic has slowed down a little bit. We're right on the beach. We've just been to the beach for the day, which has been awesome since we got to this spot. But our plan now is to make some chicken curry.
Yeah. Let's get on with it then, shall we?
So chicken curry time with some chickpeas and what else?
Like fine beans. So good morning. Me and Harry are up. It's like 8:45. The Italians get up so early. They're all up like before 8. It's so weird. Like they're already on the beach. But we've decided to get up and go for a run. We need some water and stuff, so our run is going to go to the shop, which is 1.5 miles away. So we're going to go there and back, and then jump in the sea when we're done.
Yep.
I've got a headache, so yeah.
You failed to mention I did the washing up this morning.
Oh, Harry did the washing up this morning.
Powered it through like a champ man.
Yeah, he did. We take it in turns. He did it so quickly. I was like having a little nap. Yeah, I don't feel 100% today. So.
But yeah, come on the 3 mile run.
So, we've just got to Genoa. It was a 2-hour drive with no tolls. And we're here. It's like, what, 11 now?
Yep.
And now we're going to go explore the town.
And the park up we're at is just a park for the day. It's just near town. Apparently there's quite a lot of robberies in Genoa, so it's just on the outside.
So putting all our locks on, our steering lock on and everything, just in case.
But yeah, we'll put the name on the screen for you now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to go explore Genoa.
Cool. I couldn't come to Italy and not get a spag bowl. So
Spag
here
bowl
I
for
am.
lunch, here it is.
It looks so good.
Only up €5, you smashed it.
Yeah, very cheap here.
Banging.
We're in a good little area.
Enjoy your lunch.
So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you did enjoy it, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you can keep updated with each video we put out. If you fancy, also follow our Instagram at The Ambitious Project, and we'll see you next week.